Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you stuffed sweet chilies with a unique filling. This is one of my mom's recipes and I wanted to share it with all of you. These are perfect to have as is or with roti or if you like with a side with your meal. Any way you have it, these are amazingly tasty either ways. Let's start. For the filling, we will need the fresh grated coconut, roasted peanut powder, turmeric, red chili powder, salt as per your taste, coriander powder, cumin powder, fennel powder, garam masala, sugar, and ginger crush. Mix this well. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. These are sweet chilies and we will slit them in the center. See how they hardly have any seeds in them? Start filling them as tightly as possible with the filling we made earlier. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more yummy recipes coming your way every week. We will add in some oil and shallow fry them on a thick griddle on low flame. Cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Now we will turn them over and you will see the filling is not coming out. Cover again and cook for 5 to 7 minutes more. Such a quick and easy recipe, right? These are incredible. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. See you next week. Bye.